Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can add notes to your Instagram. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's begin. First of all, open up your Instagram application on your mobile device and simply log in with your account. And after logging in, you'll have your account timeline in front of you. So once you're on the timeline, swipe left to enter the inbox section. Here at the top and add note option will be available for you. Just tap on this small plus icon to add a note, then just type anything you want and select the audience for your note. You can select all of the people you follow back or specific people you want. The choice is yours. So after typing your note of your liking, just simply tap on share and the note will be shared. Now to change the note, simply select the note and then type in the new one. Now to delete it, just simply click on delete note and you're done. That's how you can add notes to your Instagram. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.